All right, what is up, everybody? Thank you for coming back and checking out the channel. So today I have something very exciting I'm going to be doing to the Veloster. I'm going to be going ahead and taking some tint and placing it over this right here, the amber portion of the light right here. Now it's a tint that goes over. It's pretty easy from what I've seen to put on. We're going to go ahead and see how easy it is, but I have a little obstacle right here, which is the eyelids that I put on, and I intend to get the tint as close as I can to right about here, and then cutting it and hoping that whatever I have here is going to cover everything and there's not going to be a little bit showing of the amber. But you know, if I mess up, it wasn't that expensive of a purchase. I just go ahead and pay for it again. It would be, obviously it would suck, but it's whatever. Anyways, over here we got hopefully everything we will need. I know for tint, most of the time you would want to go ahead and have a bottle of water and some soap, I believe, or something like that, to go ahead and place on the window, whatever you're putting the tint on. That way you can kind of move it around and see where you like it. In this case, I'm just gonna try to use as much precision as I can and hope for the best. But I got this right here from Premium Auto Styling, and you'll see when I have it on the car what it looks like. But the only thing I am going to need is some exacto knives, or if you have if you do not have exacto knives, go ahead and just use a regular razor blade. That's obviously the other option. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and start installing it. All right, so just to show you guys really quick, this is what it looks like inside the package for the Veloster N. I decided to go ahead and get the blacked out version. So this is as dark as it can possibly get. And you can see they have the driver's side with the indication right here is a D. And then on right here, there's a P, which indicates the passenger side. So we're gonna go ahead and do the driver's side first and see how that goes. I would just like to remind everybody before watching this process that I am obviously not an expert on this, and it's my first time doing it, so it's kind of a learning experience. But just to note, for this car specifically, the Veloster N, I don't know if other cars have it or not on their headlights, but there is a little section right here you can kind of see where it looks like it's a sealant, and it goes all the way up and around, and that's of course going to make the process a little bit more difficult when it comes to needing to actually tuck in the tint itself. So we'll see how that goes, but just in case, I actually did go ahead and pull this out. It's a little credit card sized card, and basically all you would do is, if you needed to, take the tint and you can kind of use it to go around the edges and tuck it in. Obviously right here I can't do that, so it's going to be a little bit harder, but I could use it probably up here for the eyelids that I have. So let's go ahead and see how that goes. All right, so just to show you guys the results, how it looks, here we go. Man, check that out. Now it's not a perfect job, but it's my car and I'm happy with it. I think it looks good. Obviously, if you want to have it be 100% perfect on your car, take it to somebody who knows what they're doing. Obviously, this is trial and error for me, but it's not really too difficult to install, to be honest with you. I mean, I would say that anybody could probably do this, but here's what it looks like right there. Man, that looks way better having that amber light canceled out. But here's what it looks like OEM right there. Oh yeah, and by the way, I also had the wheels painted here in my car. Had them painted all black. They are the OEM wheels, but I think they look much better all blacked out. I got all 4 of them done just the other day. Very happy with it. I will go ahead and also link the company that went ahead and did the wheel repair and the sprayed the wheels black in the description. If you happen to live in California, over in the Bay Area, you can ship your wheels over there, whatever you want. Great, fantastic service. It only took a day for them to do this, and I am super happy. But anyways, back onto the headlight. Gonna go ahead and do the other side right now, and then again I will show you guys what it looks like, but outside with the sun on it. All right, now this side's done. I was using this box right here to hold up my phone so I can show you guys. But anyways, this side was done a little bit better. It's not perfect, but most of these streams right here, go ahead and just kind of flatten out with your finger. Kind of just push any bubbles or any imperfections out. If you see any along here, I went ahead and tried to get rid of as much as I could, but anyways, went ahead and tucked it on in here nicely. And this side was way better. I took a little bit more time, obviously, and went around this edge perfectly, leaving the trim right here, or the strip right here, exposed all the way down. So cool. There we go. That's what it looks like. Fortunately, like I said, with this side, kind of overlaid the strip, but it's okay. It's fine. I'm happy with it. For like 20 bucks, I'd say that's a pretty big difference right there, and it looks a little bit better than how it did before. So pretty happy with it. Go ahead and take the car out right now, and I'll show you what it looks like out in the sun. All right, we are outside. Not much different from what I showed you guys on the inside the garage, but that's how it looks. Obviously gonna clean the fingerprints off and make it look a little bit better, but not too shabby. Pretty happy with it. I think overall it looks pretty good. Matches the black roof and all the black accents on the rest of the car. And when I was watching a couple videos for the tint installation, obviously if you sprayed water on the glass or whatever, and you were using it to move it around for regular tint, you'd have to let it sit outside for a little bit, let the sun kind of dried up. There's not much sunlight on the car right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit out for a while. And yeah, anyways, thank you for checking out the video. I will go ahead and put the link in the description below where I purchased the headlight tint right here from. And if you guys liked it, or if you have any recommendations or comments at all on how I did it or what I could do to improve, please go ahead and put them in the comments. Like I said, it's kind of my first time, and I'm learning, so always love to hear from people that do this all the time, or at least have more experience. So thank you for checking it out, and if you like any more content, like I said, go ahead and leave it down below, see what we can do next for